Hello guys, today we will discuss about the psychological changes during postpartum. In that phases of the maternal role, mother passing through the so many phases in maternal role. In that we will see what psychological effect on the mother. In that emotional changes in the mother during the postpartum period. Restorative process as described by Reva Rubin passed through three phases. As per the Reva Rubin, mainly three phases is responsible as per mother. First one is a taking in phase, second one is a taking hold phase, third one is a letting go phase. All our phases start after the start of the breastfeeding to her child. Breast milk is the best of the source nutrition for the first 6 months of the child. So let's see. First one is a taking in phase. It's called turning in phase. It takes 2 to 3 days, during which time the mother first consent is with her own needs, sleep and food. Mother is so tired after the delivery. That's why they are busy in her own need in that sleep, food, rest, whatever. It's a 2 to 3 days. The woman react passively, mostly dependent on other to meet her needs. They have to complete her needs with her other supports. So they are totally dependent on the other. She initiates little activity on her own. She is quite talkative during this phase about every detail of her labor and delivery experience. She is very talkative this phase due to her labor and delivery experience to share to other. Second one is taking hold phase. It starts the third day postpartum period. The emphasis is placed on the present. She becomes impatient and is driven to organize herself or her life. Taking hold phase. It's called taking a responsibility as a mother. She progresses from the passively individual to one who is in command of the situation. This phase lasts about 10 days. They are realized they are a mother, so they are taking one type of the responsibility of her child. It's called taking hold phase. Once the mother has taken a control of her physical being and accepted her role as a mother, she is able to extend energies to her mate and other children. So she is trying to and compared to her energy to sharing her child and other child. Then third one is a letting go phase. In that, as mothering functions become more established, the mother enter the letting go phase. This generally occur when the mother return home. In this phase, there are two separations that the mother must accomplish. First one is realize and accept physical separation from the infant. Whenever infant is separate from her, that time the other is to reliquarize her former roles as a childless person and accept the enormous implications and responsibility of her new situation regarding her child care, bathing, massaging, feeding, etc. She must adjust her life to the relative dependency and of her child. She must adjust her life to the relative dependency and helpful to her child. In that, she is very adjust with her relatives and help her child. Last one is a bonding. It's not phase, but like one type of the emotional reaction is occur in this phase. It's a bonding phase, bonding with mother and child. In that, also known as the attachment process by which parents form emotional relationship with infant over time, influenced by many factors: family, stability of home environment, nourishing she received her child. Means in that mother, it's like bonding with her child. In that family also bond with her child. Then home and environment, work, joint family, single family, whatever, and they receive her child naturally. In that, certain characteristics important. The first one is a level of the trust, level of the self-esteem, reaction to present pregnancy, interest in child rearing. In that, all the activity occur and they gain the all the trust, self-esteem, present pregnancies, reaction, and child rearings. So it's a psychological changes during pregnancy. Thank you.